Hi, this is Swara Bhaskar Urf Anarkali of Ara, and you are watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
We have with us a hugely talented actress Swara Bhaskar. Her movie is coming up, Anarkali Araki, and the promo has been sensational. Too many praise coming her way, and we hope that she gets her due, because I personally felt once I watched the promo that it's like a national award sort of level performance. So Swara Bhaskar, pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you. Always a pleasure to be here.
Okay, now the moment you see this promo, the character that you're playing, it's very easy to judge that character, because it is all over the place, because the sort of dialogues that she's saying, the sort of body language that she has, at the same time she's basically hugely independent, and she believes in what she does, which makes her extremely like a heroine in its own way. It's very, the line is very thin, that
Yeah.
will you call her a vamp, will you call her like a traditional heroine? The line is extremely blurred, which makes it even more fascinating.
Definitely.
How difficult was it to choose such a character like this?
Actually, बिल्कुल भी difficult नहीं था. I think that I was and funnily this, like all my important and memorable roles, I was the last choice in this film also.
अच्छा.
मेरी सारी जो important फिल्में हैं, चाहे वो तनु एडवान हो, रांझना हो या प्रेम रतन धन पाए हो, उसमें मैं आखिरी कास्टिंग होती हूँ जब बाकी सारी हीरोइंस ने मना कर दिया उस रोल को. So this same thing happened here. Avinash, जिनका एक जर्नलिस्टिक बैकग्राउंड है, I met him at a party and I knew him पहले से थोड़ा. So he tells me this title, and at that time the title was Anarkali Arawali. And उन्होंने सिनॉप्सिस बताया, मुझे लगा क्या बात है यार, ये तो बहुत ही कुछ कमाल का रोल है, एंड मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे ऑफर करेंगे, और मुझे कह रहे हैं यार मुझे वो दूसरी एक्ट्रेस को सुनानी है, आप पढ़ लोगे क्या एक बार, तो आपका आई वांट टू जस्ट एक बार चेक करता हूँ आपका ओपिनियन क्या है. थिंकिंग ये कैसा आदमी है, ये एक एक्ट्रेस को दूसरी एक्ट्रेस को पिच करने के लिए फिर प्रूफ रीड करवा रहा है. बट आई वाज सोल्ड राइट देन, बिकॉज आई थिंक जैसा कि आपने कहा कि जो कैरेक्टर जिसका सिर्फ एक ही लेयर होता है, दैट्स अ वेरी बोरिंग कैरेक्टर एक्चुअली. Wherever there's a character that has so many different layers, it's so exciting for an actor to play that character. So I तो was like, मैंने नजर लगा दी थी उसी दिन से. फिर जब वो सब नहीं हुआ वर्कआउट, और वो 1 या 1.5 साल बाद आया मेरे पास, मुझे लगा हाँ बेटा आना तो था ही आपको. मैं तो उसी दिन से sort of set थी इस रोल पे. But no, I'm very it was not difficult at all. But what was difficult was to make sure कि हम, आप जो फाइन लाइन की बात कर रहे हो, हम वो फाइन लाइन पर ही रहें, और हम टैकी sleazy उस जोन में ना चले जाएं, because we want to be original and real.
Definitely. No, it is definitely not sleazy. Some may consider, but you're all the time remaining in the character, and the context which is there, because she's playing like the entire double meaning element, and which is coming into, for which apparently you spoke to people, to girls in those several dialogues which can be cringe worthy as well. Like सबको लगता है हम गाने वाले लोग हैं तो कोई आसानी से बजा भी देगा, पर अब ऐसा नहीं होगा. Even apart from that, there's several dialogues which are like, many would say that for a woman to say it may not be all that easy for any actor.
I think that again.
Did you have apprehensions?
No, I didn't actually, because मुझे लगा कि ज़रूरी है कि हमें we should be real, and we should be original. And she is not a girl who is surviving in this world. She is for a living singing double meaning songs in front of audiences of 2,000 people. She has to attract those people to pay attention to her. Obviously she'll have a certain ada, obviously she'll have a certain body language, and it's a volatile world. When you see the film, in the first 2 minutes you'll realize how volatile that world is, and obviously to survive in that she has to be a fighter, and as an actor I have to portray that. And I think that हमारी थिएटर की बेसिक एक्सरसाइज होती है ना, सबसे पहले कि बेशर्मी सीखो, बेशर्म होना सीख लो, इनहिबिशंस अपने ड्रॉप करो. सो आई थिंक कि, एंड आई थिंक दैट एज एन एक्टर जहां पे भी आपके लाइफ में डाउट आए ना, वहां पे यू हैव टू गो बैक टू द फेथ विद व्हिच यू केम आउट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. So that is something that I tried to stick to in this entire film. But it was difficult. Like shooting was difficult. Also because हम जहाँ पे शूट कर रहे थे, लोकेशंस ये वो डांसेस जो हमने शूट किए, वो तो जो क्राउड आई है ना, वो अमरोहा में वो ऐसी ओरिजिनल क्राउड आई है कि शूट के दौरान हमें जो कमेंट्स आ रहे थे वो भी काफी ओरिजिनल ही थे. तो काफी सारा टाइम तो मैं उन लोगों के साथ ही भिड़ती रहती थी कि तो आई थिंक दैट अनारकली का काफी सारा भूत मेरे अंदर आ ही गया था एक्चुअली में.
Definitely.